Hello everyone, my name is Angelo Zorrilla. Today I am going to talk about some imaginary situation in my life. Sometimes I think about my past and how different decisions could have changed my life today. If I had studied English more when I was younger, I would speak English better now. English is very important for my professional future, so today I try to practice as much as possible. Also, if I had organized my time better is the past, I would have more free time now. I could spend more time with my family, exercise more and relax. Another important area is my professional life. If I had started studying cyber security a, earlier, I would have more experience in this field now. However, I am still learning and working toward my goal. On the other hand, my life were more organized today, I would have completed some of my goals earlier. This imaginary situation helped me understand that where past decisions can affect our present life. I cannot change the past, but I can make better decisions today. Thank you very much for listening.